Welcome to our gold mining facility. Today, I'll show you how gold is extracted step by step.
This is where the journey of gold begins.
Every movement in this mine is monitored in real time. Welcome to our gold mining facility. Today, I'll show you how gold is extracted step by step.
The first step is breaking the hard rock to reach the gold-bearing ore.
Explosives are placed with extreme precision for controlled blasting.
All personnel must evacuate the blast zone immediately.
With the rock broken, real extraction can begin. Now the gold-bearing ore is extracted. These ordinary rocks contain hidden gold within. The raw ore now enters the processing plant. Here, massive rocks are reduced into manageable sizes. Material is sorted by size before further processing. The crushed ore moves toward grinding. Now the ore is ground into fine powder. Water is added to form slurry for chemical processing.
The slurry is now sent for chemical gold extraction. Gold is now separated using chemical leaching.
The solution dissolves the gold from the crushed ore. Now the gold-rich solution moves to recovery.
Electric current is used to recover gold from the solution.
This raw gold is collected for refining. Impurities are removed to increase purity.
Pure gold powder is now ready for melting.
At extreme temperatures, gold turns into molten metal. The molten gold is poured into bar molds. From raw rock to solid gold, each gold bar is permanently stamped with its purity and weight.
Every gram is verified with extreme accuracy.
Security is maintained at the highest level.
The gold is now fully secured for transport.
Transport is executed under strict protection. The journey of gold continues beyond these walls.
This is how gold journeys from deep earth to the global market.